viewers, and welcome to News Movement English. I'm Shiny Day. Let's start today's news. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi has been detained by the police in Uttar Pradesh. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi has been detained by police in Uttar Pradesh for a second time in less than a month after she was stopped from travelling to Agra to meet the family of a man who died in police custody. She is being taken to Lucknow police lines. Her car was earlier stopped at the first toll plaza on the Lucknow-Agra expressway. If I am at home, okay. If I go to my office, okay. But the moment I go elsewhere, then they started this tamasha. Why? Eventually, I will meet the family. This is becoming ridiculous. People are being affected. Look at the traffic, she said shortly before she was taken into detention. Mrs. Gandhi also underlined her constitutional right to free movement in the country and made it clear she is determined as soon as she is released to visit the man's family. Earlier, after she was stopped, she had tweeted asking, "What is the government so afraid of?" Arun Valmiki died in police custody. His family is seeking justice. I want to visit the family. What is the UP government afraid of? Why I am being stopped? Today is Lord Valmiki's Jayanti. PM Modi spoke big on Buddha, but this is attacking his message, she wrote in Hindi. UP police told Mrs. Gandhi she has been stopped per as order issued by the Agra district magistrate, which cited potential law and order issues to stop political leaders from visiting the city. Chaotic visuals from the scenes showed Mrs. Gandhi surrounded by a sea of people, including policemen, as she tried to make her way past the blockade. Another visual showed a burly UP cop standing in front of her vehicle with both hands placed firmly on the hood. Yet another shows more cops in front of the car and apparently persuading her to return. Step in Abhinav Gini House at Ken Mukherjee Lane, Asansol. We deals diamond, gems and stones, gold hallmarked jewelries, silver items and utensils, zodiac powered items. Our contact number 9933 990 442 and 0341231190. Abhinav Gini House. Apnar Rupkotha. Now, let's have a look on Corona updates. India lost 13,596 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, the lowest daily rise in the last 8 months or 230 days, the Health Minister's data showed on Monday. 166 people have died of COVID in the last 24 hours. The country's active case load is 0.56% of the overall cases logged since the start of the pandemic. The Health Ministry said the active case load is also the lowest in 221 days. The daily positivity rate, which refers to the number of people testing positive out of every 100 tests, stood at 1.37% on Monday, and it has been less than 3% for the last 49 days. Worldwide, over 24 crore cases have been lodged. 48.98 lakh deaths have been registered. Four dead in Toto's head-on collision with lorry in Burdwan. Incident in Ganj area of East Burdwan. The tragic accident took place on Burdwan-Kanla Road on Wednesday afternoon. It is learned that 4 persons were coming towards Burdwan from Ganjar side in a Toto while a lorry was heading towards Kanla from Burdwan side. Witnesses said Toto lost control in front of a divider in the Ganj area and the 4 Toto riders including the driver died on the spot. Toto twisted his tail. Due to this accident, the traffic of Burdwan-Kanla Road was stopped for some time. The bodies of the deceased have been identified as Ganesh Pal, Avijit Pal, Vairav Das, Sona and another. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes from class 8 to 10, class 11, 12, Science, Arts, Commerce, Bengali and English, Graduation Honors and Program, Computer Science plus Application, Economics, Sanskrit, Pol Science, Philosophy, BCom, and we also provided all types of competitive classes like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. Our contact number are 9932864067 and 8116183079. Specialists in Durga Puja pavilions in Kolkata and across the state looking at the crowded crowd with concern. Once again, the graph of corona is expected to move upwards. There have already been signs of increasing infection in districts like Kolkata, North Chobbish Pargana, South Chobbish Parganas. Regarding this, Chief Secretary Hari Krishna Dwivedi held a virtual meeting with all the district rulers of the states. In the meeting held at 6 p.m. yesterday, the Chief Secretary of the state gave some strict instruction to the district magistrates. At the same time, strictness on night driving is starting again from Wednesday. The Chief Secretary told in the meeting that the night ban will have to be implemented again from tomorrow. The concerned district administrations along with the police will have to strictly enforce the night ban. Along with this, the Chief Secretary directed the district magistrates to take special initiatives to increase the vaccination. According to the sources, the Chief Secretary told in the meeting that till now, the situation affected by corona has not gone out of control. The number of victims in Kolkata is increasing. However, we have to pay close attention to it. In addition, district governors will have to take necessary steps to increase the immunization in every district. At the same time, Dwivedi said that emphasis should be laid on increasing the number of corona sample tests. Significantly, in the last few days, the number of active corona patients in the state, including Kolkata, has increased once again. At the same time, the corona test rate was low due to the worship season. On Tuesday, the residents of Chakdi village blocked the road for demanding drinking water. Repeatedly pleas to the administrations did not solve the problems. On Tuesday, the residents of Chakdi village of Manbazar blocked the Manbazar Paraychalli road demanding drinking water. They claimed that the water supply in this village has been stalled for a long time. Despite repeatedly assurance from the local administration, the problem has not been solved. Finally, when the Joint Community Development Officers of Manbazar 1 block, Rajiv Murmu and the police of Manbazar police station went and assured that the problem would be resolved soon, the roadblocks were removed. Many vehicles got stuck on the state road due to the road blockade. The passengers had to bear the brunt of this.
আপনারা দেখছেন আজ ইনকুড়ি মোড়ে তিন চারটে পাড়ার মহিলারা জলের জন্য পথ অবরোধ করেছে। আজ আমরা ইনকুড়ির এই এলাকাটা দীর্ঘদিন 6 মাস আগেও আমরা পথ অবরোধ করেছিলাম জলের জন্য। ভিডিও আমরাকে কথা দিয়েছিল জল আসবে, কিন্তু আসেনি। আজকে 6 মাস হলো জল আমাদের আজ 2-3 মাস বন্ধ, জল আসেনি। পানীয় জল আমাদের এলাকায় খুবই অভাব, পানীয় জলের নলকূপের জল খাওয়া যায় না, রান্না করা যায় না। তাই বাধ্য হয়ে আমরা পথ অবরোধ করেছি। প্রশাসনের কাছে আমাদের অনুরোধ যাতে আমাদের দাবি মেনে নিয়ে আমরাকে পুনরায় পানীয় জল সাপ্লাই দেওয়া হয় এবং যতদিন না জল দেওয়া হচ্ছে ততদিন যেন একটা অন্ততপক্ষে ট্যাঙ্কির ব্যবস্থা করে জল সাপ্লাই দেওয়া হয়। এইটুকু অনুরোধের জন্যই আমরা প্রশাসনের কাছে পথ অবরোধ করেছি। আমাদের দাবি সম্পূর্ণ পূরণ হয়ে গেলে আমরা পথ অবরোধ তুলে নেব।
Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching for medical need AIMS entrance examinations by D.K. Lal Sir. Regular classes for class 11th, 12th and BSc. Contact number 9832 824 975. Well, according to our working editor Vikash Prasad, Subhash Mahato, the president of Huda Panchayat Trinamool Congress, and Huda Panchayat Samiti president Prashanjit Mahato got about 12 families, including Shandharani Roy, the winning member of Huda Panchayat Samiti from BJP. Various leaders, including public works officers of Huda Panchayat Samiti, Ambuj Mandal, and regional president of Kalabani region Trinamool Congress were also present. Huda Block Trinamool Congress District President Subhash Mahato congratulated him for voluntarily joining Trinamool Congress and voluntarily joining the people. On the other hand, the president of Huda Panchayat Samiti and district president of Krishak Khet Mazdoor Sangathan, Prashanjit Mahato, said that BJP has fooled people by mistaking them, and now people are leaving BJP and joining Trinamool Congress. Today, everyone is taking advantage of the welfare works of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, seeing that people are leaving BJP and joining Trinamool Congress every day.
বলে দেন একটু।
নমস্কার। আজকে আমাদের যোগদান পর্বে কলাবনী অঞ্চলের পঞ্চায়েত সমিতির সদস্য সন্ধ্যারানী রায় এবং তার সাথে আইটি সেলের বিজেপি মানে মিডিয়া সেলের কনভেনার শ্রীমন্ত মাহাতো এবং তার সাথে আরও 12টা ফ্যামিলি আমাদের এই তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসে আজকে যোগদান করলো। আজকে পঞ্চায়েত সমিতির মেম্বার যোগদান করার ইয়াতে আমাদের টোটাল পঞ্চায়েত সমিতির মেম্বার হলো 21 জন।
আগে কত ছিল মোট?
আগে 17 জন ছিল, 4 জন মানে পরপর জয়েন করলাম। আর এই যে 4টে আছে ওটা হয়তো মাঝখানে তো
সুভাষদার কাছে শুনলেন, হুড়া ব্লক তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের সভাপতি সম্মানীয় সুভাষ দা বললেন যে আমাদের হুড়া পঞ্চায়েত সমিতি সদস্য সহ আরও যে 12টা ফ্যামিলি আজকে হুড়া ব্লক তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস কার্যালয়ে যোগদান করলেন। ওনারা মমতা ব্যানার্জি আদর্শে অনুপ্রাণিত হয়ে ওনার কাজকর্ম দেখে ওনারা মমতা ব্যানার্জির দলে ওরা যোগদান করলেন এবং ওনাদেরকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। আমরা আজ থেকে ওনাদেরকে বলবো যে মামাটি মানুষের হয়ে জনগণ গরিব মানুষের কাছে থেকে ওনারা কাজ করুক, আমরা ওনাদের পাশে আছি।
According to our reporter Twinkle Burnwal, BJP took out a torch procession in Asansol on Tuesday evening in the protest against the incident of attack on minority Hindus and religious places in Bangladesh. It was led by the state leaders of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari. He was accompanied by Asansol South BJP MLA Agnimitra Paul, BJP MLA from Kulti Dr. Ajay Poddar, MLA Lakhan Gorui, District Convener Shivram Burman, Asansol former Mayor Jitendra Triwari, Arijit Roy, Abhijit Acharya, Shudha Devi, Asha Sharma and other leaders were also present. Shubhendu Adhikari, the leader of the BJP, said that he had strongly opposed the incident in Bangladesh through today torch procession. During Durga Puja in Bangladesh, more than 50 temples were vandalized. An ISKCON temple was vandalized and 7 people were injured and 9 devotees were murdered. Witnessing the fire at the feet on Shahid Bhagat Singh today, I pray for him and pray for his soul to rest in peace, so that the Hindu Sanatanis of Bangladesh get peace. We want the government of Bangladesh to immediately identify them and give extremely punishment to them. Otherwise, our Hindu society is not only in West Bengal but in the whole world will be feel bad. Whether there are Hindus, all will fight unitedly. This fundamentalist society is doing this only to eliminate Hindus. Bangladesh was formed in 1971. The Hindu population at that time was 22%. According to the 2011, the population of Hindus has come down to 8.2. The fundamentalists want to wipe out the Hindu tribes. India, illuminated by the light of Swami Vivekananda, is the only homeland of Hindus. We all stand with the oppressed Hindus in Bangladesh. Challenge 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with court agreement. JEE and NEET coaching by Motion, the Durgapur Study Center. Contact us 9434 822 278 and 8900 100 080. Durga Puja organizers were rewarded for Safe Drive Save Life campaign during Durga Puja Festival 2021 by Asansol Durgapur Police. Puja committees was rewarded in the presence of Police Commissioner Sudhir Kumar and DCP Traffic Anand Rai in the Police Commissioner's office. The best theme on Safe Drive Save Life program running on Railway Station Durga Puja Committee. The best awareness display on Safe Drive Save Life program Aleka Puja Samiti Durgapur. The best awareness campaign on Safe Drive Save Life program David Bank PNT Sharat Chandra Avenue Durga Puja Samiti Durgapur. According to our reporter Wasim Khan, without naming Jitendra Tiwari, Dashu, the state Trinamool Congress secretary cum governor of 106 wards of Asansol Municipal Corporation, challenged Shubhendu Adhikari. Addressing the journalist, the TMC party office, claiming victory of TMC with a huge majority in the Lok Sabha by-election in Asansol. Along with this, he also claimed victory of TMC in the upcoming municipal elections. He challenged Shubhendu Adhikari and said that if he has the potential, then he should show it by standing in the Lok Sabha by-election from Asansol. He claimed that Shubhendu will face defeat here by more than 1 lakh votes. Without taking the name of Jitendra Tiwari, he attacked him. In a scathing attack on the leader of opposition in the Bengal Legislative Assembly, Shubhendu Adhikari, he said that on Tuesday evening, he took out a torch rally in Asansol in which a crowd of hardly 100 to 150 people gathered. It also had 40 to 50 security personnel. He said that the way the old BJP leader is being given preference to the sectarian leaders who have gone from TMC to BJP, due to which the situation is going to become more difficult for the BJP in the upcoming times.
Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy, lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll-free number 1800-258-7060.
Today's Railway Report. The train regulation of Mail Express special trains for upcoming foggy seasons from 1st of December to 28th of February shall be as under. 11106 and 01106 Jhansi Kolkata will remain cancelled on every Friday from journey commerce on 3rd of December to 25th of February. 11105 01105 Kolkata Jhansi will remain cancelled on every Sunday from 5 December to 27th of February. 12988 and 02988 Ajmer Shialda will remain cancelled from 1st of December to 20th of February. 12987 02987 Shialda Ajmer will remain cancelled from 2nd of December to 1st of March. 12325 and 02325 Kolkata Nandalgadam will remain cancelled on every Thursday from 2nd of December to 24th of February. 12326 and 02326 Nagaldam, Kolkata will remain cancelled on every Saturday from 4th of December to 26th of February. 12357 and 02357 Kolkata, Amritsar will remain cancelled on every Tuesday and Saturday from 30th of November to 26th of February. 12358 and 02358 Amritsar, Kolkata will remain cancelled on every Thursday and Monday from 2nd of December to 28th of February. Reduction of frequency. 12024 and 02024 Patna Junction to Howrah will remain cancelled on every Thursday from 2nd of December to 24th of February. 12023 and 02023 Howrah Patna Junction will remain cancelled on every Thursday from 2nd of January to 24th of February. Partially cancellation. 12178 and 02178 Mathura Howrah will remain cancelled between Mathura and Agra from 6th of December to 20th of February. And 12177 02177 Howrah Mathura will remain cancelled between Agra and Mathura from 3rd of December to 25th of February. Passengers are requested to plan their journey accordingly. Inconvenience is highly regretted. The villagers of Nupur village protested and staged in sit-in on Wednesday morning. Villagers of Nupur village under Raniganj Panchayat Samiti of Asansol protested and staged a sit-in on Wednesday morning, allegedly that the water brought in the tanker for supply to them was dirty. As soon as the news was received, the deputy head of a local Ballabpur Panchayat, Sidhan Mandal, reached Nupur village. There he faced oppositions. Unable to control their anger, the villagers started beating up the deputy head, Sidhan Mandal. The police present at that time went and controlled the situation. After much effort, the situation was brought under control. Today's SMS of the moment. Words are words. The power lies in what you do. That's the real thing. ভিডিওটি যদি আপনাদের পছন্দ হয়ে থাকে তাহলে আমাদের চ্যানেলটিকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল আইকনটা প্রেস করবেন, যাতে আমাদের যদি নতুন কোনো ভিডিও আপলোড হয় তাহলে সবার আগে আপনাদের কাছে সেই বিষয়ে নোটিফিকেশন চলে যায়। সাথে সাথে ভিডিওটি অবশ্যই লাইক করবেন, কমেন্ট করবেন এবং শেয়ার করবেন। ধন্যবাদ।